bold, bright, and packed with flavor. These zesty skirt steak tacos with pineapple salsa and guacamole are the perfect balance of smoky, tangy, sweet, and creamy, turning an ordinary meal into a celebration on a plate. Start by marinating 1.5 to 2 pounds of skirt steak in a mixture of 3 tablespoons olive oil, the juice of 2 limes, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours for deeper flavor. While the steak marinates, make a fresh pineapple salsa by combining 1.5 cups finely chopped fresh pineapple, 1/2 small red onion finely diced, 1 jalapeno minced, seeds removed for less heat, the juice of 1 lime, a handful of chopped cilantro, and a pinch of salt. Stir it together and let the flavors mingle. For the guacamole, mash 2 ripe avocados with the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons finely diced red onion, 1 small chopped tomato, a pinch of salt and cilantro to taste, creating a creamy contrast to the bold meat and bright salsa. Heat a grill pan or outdoor grill over high heat and cook the skirt steak for 3 to 5 minutes per side, just until charred and beautifully caramelized on the outside while remaining juicy inside. Let it rest for 5 minutes, then slice it thinly against the grain for maximum tenderness. Warm 8 to 12 small corn or flour tortillas on the grill or in a dry pan until soft and slightly toasted. To assemble, layer each tortilla with strips of steak, a generous spoonful of pineapple salsa, a dollop of guacamole, and optional toppings like crumbled queso fresco, extra cilantro, or a drizzle of hot sauce. The first bite is electric, the smoky steak paired with the juicy sweetness of pineapple, the tang of lime, and the smooth richness of avocado create a harmony of flavors that dance across your palate. These tacos are perfect for summer nights, family gatherings, or anytime you want to bring restaurant quality flavors straight into your kitchen, reminding you that the best meals are the ones bursting with freshness, fire, and a little bit of fun.